Hello Amazon. I'm gonna do the review on this toaster with my cheesy bagel that I have already cut in half. And so this is just the normal sized one. It's not the larger one. And this is a big bagel. It still fits, right? So it's good. And here we are. It's a Gevi Italian brand, Italian man. You know, you press the power button. There it is. I mean, I got a double toaster. I don't know why, but you press. I'll put it at 4, and I'll press the bagel button. Right. So there's the bagel, and then we'll click it down. You see the bagel? It's all the way in there. You just tuck it in a little bit. Tuck it in there. And so I put it at 4. See that? It's kind of cool. My actually only complaint is that this knob here is it's plastic. If this was stainless steel knob, it would have a much higher quality feel. And so I have the bagel function going. As you can see, it's the bagel function. And it's at 4. I have it set at 4. And you can see it's heating it. It's gonna get to 4. And it says bagel here. I mean, I might have put the bagel in the wrong way. I probably did. But, you know, that's what the fuck people do. So hopefully it turns out okay. Actually, I gotta cancel it because I don't know. I didn't cut this bagel properly either. One side is a little bit more than the other. But so, you know, it's a toaster and, you know, it toasts. So, you know, you give it a few seconds. You know, maybe give it another 30 seconds, right? You hit that button. Look, you can hit that button like that, see? Okay, so we'll do 30 seconds. 30 seconds. All right, I can't wait that much longer. So I'm gonna pull it out. And look, the toast, it's a little toast. It's like a little toast, right? And it looks, so you take this toast, voila, voila.
Kind of cool. It's digital, whatever. The right side does not work. It came like this. I got it for my fiance for Christmas because we really needed like a 4-person toaster. So that's that.